Hi, welcome to Laptop Service Center Shivam Infotech Dumdum. Today I am here with a case. This is Dell laptop motherboard arrived in dead conditions. Now I am repairing this motherboard. It's totally dead. You can see. I already repair, and after that I am showing it in this video. You can see. Uh, Now laptop is ready. You can see the name lock key, LED key is working. Board is running now, and here you can see the DC reading 19.5 volt and 0.306 ampere is taking. The fault was from BIOS section. This is the BIOS. This is the BIOS. I removed it and reprogrammed it, and now it is working. Thank you for watching this video. If you require to repair your laptop, then please contact us by providing the phone number, and also you can search us on Google by typing laptop service center in Dumdum, laptop service center near me, Shivam Infotech Dumdum. Thank you.